Okay, now we're going to look at how to add and subtract using negative numbers. Let's look at this first one over here. Minus 5 plus 3. So we go to minus 5. Now remember, plus is in that direction because we're going towards the plus positive numbers. And minus is in this direction. That's if you're making a number even smaller. But in this particular sum over here, it's minus 5 plus 3. So we're going into the positive direction. We're plussing, we're adding on. So here we are on minus 5. Now we're going to jump 3. 1, 2, 3. We ended up on minus 2. So minus 5 plus 3 equals minus 2. Never forget to write your sign. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay. Let's look at the next one. We have minus 2 minus 3 equals. Okay, so we're going to go even smaller because what does minus 3 tell us? We're going in this direction here. We're going into an even smaller number. We're taking minus 2 and we're minusing 3. Well, let's go find minus 2 on the number line. Here it is. Minus 2 minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. We ended up on minus 5. Okay. The next one, we have plus 3 minus 5. It's a minus again, so we're going to end up going into this territory. And let's see how far we're going to that territory. First, we've got to go to plus 3. Remember, plus is on this side here. So plus 3 is there. Plus 3 minus 5. So we're going 5 jumps backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We ended up on minus 2. Okay, visualize both sides of the number line when you work out your negative and positive sums because it'll just help you to understand which direction you're going in and which sign you're going to end up with your answer. You can see they all ended up with a minus in front this time because we ended up in the negative side of the number line. Let's look at the next screen. There's a very important rule that you have to know. It is this rule here. Okay? When it comes to negative numbers, a minus and a minus standing next to each other becomes a plus. So let's look at it down there in the example at the bottom. 5 minus minus 2 is the same as 5, and this becomes a plus. Plus 2, which comes to 7. Okay? So let us have a look at it again. A minus and a minus will always equal a plus. 5 minus minus 2 becomes 5 plus 2, which is 7. Let's scribble another one down before we move on to the next screen. I'm going to write it at the top here. Let us say 3 minus minus 3. What does that become? It becomes 3 plus 3. And we know 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay. Right, now you're going to do these quickly. You're going to press pause. Quickly do them for me because I want you to remember this rule. You'll use this rule all the way up to grade 12. And then come press play and we're going to look at them together. Okay, so you're back now. So that becomes 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. Remember, minus and a minus becomes a plus. This one becomes 7 plus 4, which is equal to 11. And this one becomes 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Okay, well done. Now you're going to file that rule away. Minus and a minus becomes a plus. See you in the next negative number lecture.